So this is a running stitch. So what you're going to want to do is, this is often used to attach two pieces of felt together. So if you go in from the inside so you can hide your knot, that is a good idea. You just pull it through. And then basically you're just going to do stitches so that it looks like they're kind of running across the fabric. So you go in, go under, and bring your needle back out, and then just pull it out. So you're going to have a space. Hopefully your thread won't tangle like mine just did. But you're going to have a space between your stitches, and then you go back in and out again, and you pull your needle. And so yeah, you've got a stitch, hopefully without a knot, a space, stitch, space, and then you're going to do like another stitch, and then you just keep going that like that around the perimeter or whatever it is that you're sewing together. So running stitches are one of the easiest embroidery stitches because there's not a whole lot to it, and you just keep going until you are finished. And then if you want to finish off and have a knot, you go through. It's a good idea to do it on the inside, and then you just go in, make your knot, and then it'll hide on the inside. And that is it.